So after having 2 kids, that getting my hair back to its thickness was kind of crucial. And that's why I need to try this Act+Acre, Acre, 3% stem cell side peptide scalp treatment, because honestly, hair growth and everything, hair health really starts at your scalp. And that's why I needed to try this. So this was actually a gift to me from the brand, and it's always a weakness review. So what I love about this too, it really kind of targets the hair follicles and where you want it to be. So what I do is I just kind of pull my hair back, and especially like I just like to spray it right on the root and kind of work it in. So for me especially, I always got like thinning right here, especially like from postpartum hair loss and everything like that, that I found that this is one of those things that really kind of helps keep my hair as healthy as possible. So this has some great ingredients too. This has peptides, which will help support collagen production and preserve your hair follicle cells. Grape stem cells, which will also help activate scalp cell regeneration and hair growth. What I love too about it is it's super easy to do. I just kind of do it every night, like after I shower. And I find that it doesn't weigh down my hair at all. It doesn't do anything like that. And it just kind of easily gets absorbed into my scalp and really just helps with my scalp health. So if you're looking for some hair density help, this is what you need.